Oh my God, wait. Her name is Hattie. Hattiesburg. Hattie's coming to
The
Hattiesburg.
universe just planned it this way.
So I just wanted like so much life, joy, and experience because people come here to celebrate.
They do. With the opening moment, the man trap, which I didn't know it was called that.
Now that I've popped under the hood a little bit, I'm honestly not really an interior designer. I'm gonna stick to designing jewelry.
Very excited to work on this project. It's nothing like we've ever done before.
So I'm Chae at Carter's Collective Fine Jewelry, and I am here with Hattie Sparks from New Orleans. She is an amazing interior designer. You can see all of her stuff on Instagram. She has joined us to turn this beautiful Wells Fargo bank into the new home of Carter's Collective Fine Jewelry. And it's going to be like nothing you've ever seen in your entire life. I cannot wait to show you all of the ideas, the wallpaper, the furniture, the cases. We are so excited. Oh my God, wait. And her name is Hattie. Hattiesburg. Hattie's coming to Hattiesburg.
The universe just planned it this way.
Yeah.
And I love that everyone in Hattiesburg can pronounce my name because that's been just my cross to bear my whole life.
I get that.
Yeah. So I'm so excited to be involved. It's been so great to get to know Chae and learn about her business and her family's legacy. I'm a primarily residential interior designer based in New Orleans. We have started moving a bit more into the commercial space. And the approach we take with our commercial spaces is we want customers and people who come to visit feel as if they are stepping into a very personal, homey, comfortable atmosphere versus the traditional retail concept that can sometimes feel a little bit formal or sterile. What we're dreaming up with Chae is a retail experience that is going to be so unique and so different that's going to invite people to dream and play and hang out and come and sit and have a glass of wine and hang out on the patio and really just become a gathering place for the people of Hattiesburg and further out to just enjoy each other's company, shop, find something special, find that meaningful piece of jewelry that will last through generations. So we're very, very excited to work on this project. It's nothing like we've ever done before, and I'm very excited to work in this old bank building. The vault in particular is so unique, and we're gonna have a lot of fun with it.
I love that you said not sterile. That was like one of the reasons why I chose Hattie as the interior designer, because it's hard because there's so many talented interior designers. But I just wanted when people to come in to have like a different retail experience, like very unexpected. And with jewelry stores, you can tend to lean towards, and not with any offense, but like a little more sterile, neutral. And so I just wanted like so much life and joy and experience inside the building. So, because people come here to celebrate.
They do.
I'm like, let's pop a bottle of champagne or maybe get it from the champagne vault.
Which is a little secret we have planned.
Yes.
But I'm with you, I agree. I think the best moments when you're out dining or staying at a hotel or shopping are those moments when you walk into a space and you feel in awe or you find something very special. And even if you leave without getting anything, you remember that experience, you remember how you felt. And I think the feeling is something that people carry with them, and that's something that lasts beyond their time in the physical store. And that's just as important as the services that you offer, the product that you're offering. So we want everything to feel very kind of cohesive and leveled up a bit.
Elevated.
So that you can deliver the best possible experience to your clients and to new people just discovering your store.
I'm excited. So, elephant in the room, we are going to be closing the Petal store that we have had for decades, and we're going to open in Hattiesburg. It's a dream I've had for 17 years, so it's bittersweet because Petal's been so supportive, the community, we've absolutely loved being in Petal. And a lot of people are like, why are you leaving? What's wrong? I'm like, nothing's wrong. It's just, I want to own my own building and I want a freestanding store for the safety, for the value, all the experience, the chance to start over. So it's just, I don't know, it's kind of sad at the same time because we've been in Petal for so long. I know, but It's only 10 minutes down the road. We're across from Sam's, beside Chick-fil-A. For anybody who remembers Carter's decades ago, we actually had a location in Petal and Hattiesburg, and the Hattiesburg location was literally across the street.
You're back to your roots.
I know. So
love
it's,
it.
you know, we're definitely going to stay invested in the community in Petal, pour into the school, the Petal Children's Task Force. Like, that's our roots, you know. This is just a different location. So
You'll be able to have an even wider reach being here, and that's good for everybody. Okay, now that that's out of the way,
let's play.
let's have some fun.
Yeah.
So we're going to talk about the selections we've made for you and your beautiful building. And we really wanted to kind of lean into this idea of bringing a little bit of nature indoors, but in a really sophisticated way. I know that indoor-outdoor space is really important to you, and we wanted that common thread to be woven in throughout the building. We want everything to feel very elevated, very luxurious, very comfortable, just inviting your clients into this beautiful space. We started with the opening moment, the man trap, which I didn't know it was called that until I visited here for the first time, but
So a man trap is when you come in the front door, there'll be another door that you have to close the original door for the second one to open. So a lot of high-end jewelry stores have a man trap just for security for the people working inside the store or also shopping inside the store. It just kind of slows down and controls traffic, and then also, you know, if anyone's to like try to drive through your building, which I know sounds crazy, but we have to take security very seriously in jewelry. So we're going to put the man trap, and I love that you brought it up because man trap is like so aggressive. And
really
I was like, I don't want to be like, when they come in, they're like, what is happening? Why am I locked in this room?
Man traps in jewelry stores I've been to are very bare bones.
Yeah. They're a man trap.
You're in a little cage, and we wanted to soften that up a bit and really set the tone for the building, for the space.
Thank God you thought of that. If I were in charge, it would be a concrete room.
So we want people to walk in and be surrounded by beauty from the minute they walk in the door. So we selected a wallpaper from a brand based in North Carolina, and we wanted to communicate this overarching floral kind of botanical theme. You mentioned to me that your bridal line is called Bloom.
Yes.
So we incorporated blooms almost everywhere throughout the design. And this paper is beautiful. It's a beautiful mural, and it's dangling, climbing wisteria vines with birds and
I'm obsessed.
sweet other little flowers and climbing branches. So right when you walk in to the man trap, you'll be in this kind of beautiful garden moment, and then you'll be released into the larger store to start shopping.
So Bloom is our bridal line. We designed engagement rings and wedding bands during COVID, whenever everything shut down. We didn't have anything else to do for a few months. So I was like, I will design the line I've always talked about for like the last 10 years. Because the bridal process just felt more complicated than necessary. Like a solitaire, why are there 5,000 solitaires? You know, like just have the perfect solitaire.
Exactly. Just distill it down to a couple good choices.
You know, you make decisions all day. Like you go to select an engagement ring, do you want to have 1,000 options?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's infinite choices, and that's your job is very similar to our job, where we look at everything and we distill it down for our clients to
the very best.
The best choice or the best two choices. And that really helps people make decisions a little bit easier. And, you know, there's less noise when making a decision.
Yeah. So I think you really understand this because like when we met, it's like Bloom is very important. It's done really well. Everyone loves it. So we just kind of have like that floral theme, but not too many flowers,
Not too over the top.
That wallpaper is amazing.
I love this paper. It's one of my favorite brands to work with. And we're going to carry the kind of nature botanical theme throughout the rest of the building. There'll be 2 private viewing rooms. One is primarily bridal. Those will also have some beautiful floral and botanical wallpaper. There will be a 3rd private room that is not bridal focused, and that will be jewel tones, a little bit darker. We're gonna do a nice banquette bench, so a nice place to go and look at.
Is there gonna be velvet?
Oh yeah, it's gonna be a lot of velvet.
It's like that's like all I could think in that room is like the bench.
There's gonna be
and
a
velvet.
really cool velvet.
Like, am I at a restaurant in a private room or am I buying diamonds?
Yeah. And it's a great place to go look at a tennis bracelet or a pair of studs. The extra special room is going to be inside the vault.
So this is fascinating. I'm so excited to see behind the scenes. I have fancied myself as an interior designer. Now that I've popped under the hood a little bit, I'm honestly not really an interior designer. I'm gonna stick to designing jewelry.
You do that. I will take care of you.
Yeah.
You're the client
We're
now.
so glad that you're on this project with us because I designed the store that we're at, and I think that like moving forward, I'm gonna stick with designing jewelry and I'm gonna let you do this.
It sounds like a deal.
This is exciting.